Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your cloud account and app credentials so you can authenticate the camera. This prevents later lockouts. Next, join the camera to the correct network. Most cameras require 4 GHz and plug it into power. Once done, update firmware if available. Firmware fixes compatibility issues and secures the stream. Make sure to note your SSID and Wi-Fi password and allow the app permission to access local network devices, which enables automatic detection of the camera. You now pair the camera to your phone app. Open the app, tap Add Device, and scan the camera QR code or type its device ID. This links hardware to your account. Then follow the app's Wi-Fi setup prompts, input the router SSID and password carefully. If the camera uses Bluetooth for provisioning, keep it close. Once paired, assign the device to your cloud storage plan and configure recording triggers like motion or 24/7 recording, so the cloud stores the clips you want. Finish by verifying live view and checking recorded clips in the cloud timeline to confirm upload frequency and quality. This confirms everything is saving correctly. You should also secure the setup. Enable two-factor authentication, use a strong password, and limit sharing links to trusted users so the stream stays private. If things go wrong, reboot the camera and router, reattempt the app pairing, and only then perform a factory reset. These steps resolve most connection or provisioning errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.